Hi, I'm Dennis Johnson, General Manager and Chief Technology Officer at Onanon in Milpitas, California. I'm here with another Did You Know Onanon. Today, I'm going to show you a cool technology that we call turning a printed circuit board assembly into a female receptacle. A few use cases might be a low-profile board-to-board connector. When you need to piggyback circuit boards together with little to no space, this technology solves those issues. This technology is ideal to remove costly soldering and crimping of wires to printed circuit boards in high volume. It's great to reduce labor. We've produced over 500 million contacts with no connection issues. Where rugged shock and vibration environments are critical, using beryllium copper spring contacts to ensure reliability in harsh environments found in defense and industrial applications. Or where you need to connect two dissimilar metals, copper to a tungsten electrode. One great example of this technology is what we call our Crackpipe. This is a 25-use drug delivery system where our customer needed to process the drugs in an FDA lab with the electronics completely separate, and then after processing, they needed to bring the two together. By using Onanon's PCBA connector adapter technology, our customer was able to create a disposable 25-use drug delivery system that passed all regulatory requirements and at a low cost. Please visit us at onanon.com to learn more or to schedule an appointment with one of our engineers who are happy to help you. Thank you for learning a little bit more about Onanon's technology.